In a bustling city, there lived a psychologist named Dr. Emma Hayes. She had a keen interest in understanding human behavior, especially the intricacies of social interactions and mental health. One day, she encountered a particularly challenging case that intrigued her. A young man named Alex came to her office, seeking help for his intense social anxiety. Alex explained that he had always felt an overwhelming fear of being judged or rejected by others, which prevented him from forming meaningful relationships or even speaking up in meetings at work. Dr. Hayes decided to employ a technique known as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, to help Alex. She explained that CBT focuses on identifying and challenging negative thought patterns and beliefs that contribute to anxiety and other issues. During their sessions, Dr. Hayes encouraged Alex to keep a journal of his thoughts and feelings, especially in situations that triggered his anxiety. They worked together to identify specific negative thoughts, like, "everyone is judging me," or "I'll embarrass myself," and then challenged these thoughts with evidence and rational counterarguments. For example, when Alex wrote that he felt everyone at a party was judging him, Dr. Hayes asked him to provide evidence for and against this belief. Alex realized that while he couldn't read minds, there was no solid evidence to suggest people were actually judging him negatively. In fact, he remembered instances where people had been friendly and welcoming. Dr. Hayes also introduced Alex to gradual exposure exercises. She helped him create a hierarchy of feared social situations, starting from less intimidating ones, like saying hello to a neighbor, to more challenging ones, like giving a presentation at work. By gradually facing these situations and using the coping strategies he learned, Alex began to build confidence. Over time, Alex noticed a significant reduction in his anxiety. He began to enjoy social interactions more and even started forming new friendships. He learned that his fears, while real, were often exaggerated and that he had the power to change his thought patterns and behaviors. Through his journey, Alex discovered the importance of self-compassion and resilience. He learned that everyone experiences self-doubt and that it's okay to feel anxious sometimes. With Dr. Hayes' guidance, he developed a more balanced and positive outlook on social interactions and his own capabilities. Dr. Hayes was thrilled to see Alex progress. His transformation reinforced her belief in the power of psychological techniques like CBT to help individuals overcome their challenges and lead fulfilling lives. Alex's story became an inspiration to many others in the city, demonstrating that with the right support and strategies, it's possible to overcome even the most daunting psychological obstacles. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe.